I just found out that we made the top 20 in 2024 of all literati litter collectors in the world with 12,181 pieces.
This is the 8,000 cans we've collected since February. It's about 300 pounds and they're worth about $135 in recycled aluminum that we're going to donate to the sanctuary at Hatsville, where I was a doctor.
And I spent about $850 on those shoes collecting those 8,000 cans. For Joel the Junk Man, Hope Luna Litter Hounds. We're running every street in the world and picking up every piece of litter. Today we're in Lapacton Township and Harmony Township near Phillipsburg, New Jersey.
Step on that thing! Today we collected 32 pieces of litter in 11 miles, including these 4 fireballs, for a Hope Luna Litter score of 3.4.